Yo, what's good, you guys? It's your girl Drea Rozayyy, bringing you guys another video. And today, guys, we are doing a fall makeover, a fall glow up, a fall transformation, whatever you want to call it. But this has to go. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I'm going to be doing a fall makeup. I even bought a nose ring to put in and some new lashes in a style that I've never tried before. So yeah, it's going to be a whole different change, and I am very excited because it is overdue, and I know it ain't fall yet, but in a couple weeks it will be. And this morning I actually went to the Wish warehouse. Let me show y'all the lashes that I got. So I got these right here, 3D lash, and I like how the ends are like kind of like longer, you know what I mean? And then these super long ones, but they're not that full, so I like that. I was trying to go for something really like, you know, flowy up there, but just not that full. I don't want them to look like I have a freaking block there. And then I just got some more natural ones, kind of like the everyday type. They're pretty short, just, you know, very natural. Let me show y'all what else I got. I got a lip liner. I needed a dark one in case I do the whole dark bold lipstick. And I got an eyebrow pencil in dark brown. I needed something lighter since I am going lighter, because the one I currently have is pretty dark. And then just the little thingy for your cuticles. Also the nose ring I got. It's pretty cute. Yeah, girl, we are doing the whole shebang today. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair light copper brown. Let me show y'all the box, actually. This is the box. I am using the brand Ion. They sell it at Sally Supplies. And I'm using a 30 volume developer from Ion as well. And you know, I got my bowl and my brush and my clips and my gloves. What I am missing is some Vaseline for my hairline. So yeah, y'all take a look at this hair because it's the last time y'all gonna see it like this. Alright, so let me go ahead and section my hair and start the whole process because, man, since I have so much hair, it does take me a while. Oh my god, this is a lot of hair. I look like Chewbacca. I did put Vaseline around my hairline, so hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, here's an update. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Boom, baby. What you guys think about this hair? I feel like in camera it looks a little more dark. But yeah, I love it though. At least it's not almost black like how I had it. It's actually a really nice brown, very like soft. Which, guys, I actually have a confession. I fucked up on my hair, and it's a mistake that honestly I should have freaking known that was gonna happen, but I just wasn't thinking, and I was not in a rush, but you know, I was just like trying to get everything done. Okay, when I put my hair dye in, I put it on my roots way too soon. And you know how I used the light copper brown? Okay, well, even though I used a 30 volume developer, it didn't lift my ends like at all. Like, they were so fucking dark. Honestly, I feel like they were darker than before. I was like, what kind of transformation is that? So there I go the next day to get a color oops. I believe that's what it's called. And honestly, guys, I was so scared to freaking use it. I was scared. I was like, oh no. But I needed it, and my friend actually has used it before, and you know, she was like, it's fine. But I was like, oh my god, I don't want to put more chemicals in my hair. But it actually worked. And then I bought the Loreal hicolor in soft auburn and light auburn. So these are the final results, and I did all of that yesterday, and I just curled it with my straightener. So now it's time to put everything together, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I think I'm gonna do like a smoky eye, and after that I'm gonna put a fall outfit together. Alright, so I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell ya, I already did my foundation, my contour, my blush, but I might put a little more later, and my eyebrows. I actually picked up this eyebrow at the Wish warehouse, and I kind of like it. That shit was only like $2. I was like, okay, because y'all know I used the Morphe one. That shit, depending on the store, it'd be $6 or $8. Okay, so should I go in with black first? I feel like I should. All right, let's go in. You know what? Since we're going to be smoking this out, I'm going to go ahead and put some baking powder under, because what if it falls and it just ruins all my shit? Ooh, I like that. Like, who needs liquid eyeliner when you have some good eyeshadow? We're gonna smoke it out a little bit with some brown. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to go over the black because it kind of just faded, but it's all good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go upwards a little bit because I don't know. I wasn't really liking the whole like smoky look. I mean, it's still smoky, but it's a little higher. It's not so much like a eyeliner. Y'all know I actually thought of like even putting in my snake bites. Oh, I didn't even show y'all. I put in my nose ring. But I was like, man, that shit is gonna hurt, because I haven't worn these in years, and I know they're closed. Like, you can still see the holes a little bit, especially when I do this. But yeah, they're definitely closed. Alright, let me go ahead and blend the top. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think it's raining. I swear this fall weather is really trying to come in now. I'm going in with the Kylie bronze palette, and I think I'm gonna use this color right here. Yeah. Alright, so I basically brought it all the way up. Okay, so it's a very soft, smoky eye. Ooh, I like that. Alright. I'm loving this look without freaking lashes, like. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Y'all see how the ends are like longer? Oh, and I did my nails too. I forgot to tell y'all. I tried to do like a fall color too. Super cute, super cute. Ooh, girl. I love these freaking lashes. They make my eyes look longer, and they're just like whoosh. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the lipstick. I think I'm gonna do a dark lipstick because it is fall and I feel like it'll look good with it. So I just bought this pencil too at the Wish warehouse, so I'm gonna just go ahead and also use it. Oh, and it also has a little brush. Oh, I like that. So you can like blend it. Alright, now I'm gonna use the brush to blend it a little bit. I like the pencil, but it's like super creamy. Like, I barely tap it and like I feel like it just goes everywhere. So it's a little tricky. And guys, I peeled my lips last night, so they're pretty crusty. Like, oh, I somehow picked up that freaking habit again, and I hate it. So we got these three to choose from. Which one do you guys think I should do? So this one's definitely dark. This is like a little coral. And this one's just dark too. I don't know. I kind of want to do the coral just because it's going to be like a little red-ish. Or like more of an orangey. Or maybe I should use this one. This is the NYX Lingerie in Low Cut. Here goes nothing. You know what? This lip liner is actually too light for this lipstick. This thing is dark. I don't know if you guys can see that little dot. I'm actually going to go in with a darker lip liner. It matched perfect with the freaking lip liner. I am officially done. I love this. So now it is time to pick out a fall outfit. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and try on like 2 different outfits, and y'all let me know which one y'all like. I think I'm gonna do like a casual one and more like a dressy one, or I don't know, it depends. I actually have a lot of my clothes still in storage right now, like my fall clothes, so I'm just gonna work with what I got here. So let's go see. So here is the first outfit I came up with. Obviously very casual, very streetwear, very comfortable. This is actually a crop top also, but it was kind of like in a weird length. So I just kind of tucked it in my bra, and I just paired it with my Air Jordans. Alright, let me come up with another fall outfit. Alright guys, here is the next outfit. What do y'all think? It's a little bit more formal, but in a way still casual because I am wearing jeans with some little booties. And yeah, this is a very thick like cotton blazer. It's actually very warm. So it's somewhat formal, but still like really cute. Alright, now I'm gonna do like a sweatpants look. Alright, here is the other fall outfit. Just pretty casual. I just got my Adidas on, some tan beige sweatpants, and I'm wearing this like silky like bodysuit. So yeah, super comfortable. Nothing crazy. So this is for those days in fall when it's not really cold. So, you know, you could wear a little sleeveless shirt. So did you guys like my fall transformation? Hopefully this video was helpful and you guys picked up some fall ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button next to the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Give your girl a big thumbs up, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.